Hi guys, let me talk to you about a piece of equipment that can potentially save your life. If you're in the heat of the summer or you need AC or you need heat, this little 25-foot extension cord could potentially save your life and provide you the necessary heat or cool that you need by simply just coming down here and plugging it into the generator. You just take this 30 amp cord, plug it into your generator right here. And you can use this as an extension cord if you already have a 30 amp. You just plug it into the trailer and you can run this that much further away from your rig if you don't want the exhaust fumes close to you. And you just plug this in to the rig and then you turn this on and you're good to go. I can't stress how important it is in today's day and age to have a generator and to have an extension cord in case you need to put this far away or you can't reach it. Go out and grab yourself a 30 amp extension cord. It could potentially save your life, and I'm not even joking.